Hello smart people, welcome to this comments class. In our previous video, we talked about the new update on UCI machine learning data repository where you can download your datasets from their archives. In this video, we are going to talk about Kaggle, how to use Kaggle and also how to download datasets from Kaggle. Okay, so the link will be shared in the description section where you get access to their platform to download their dataset. So in Kaggle, we have a lot of features here where you can use. You have where you can download your dataset, you can take computation, you can also do your coding in the Kaggle. Also, you can take a free course here. You can learn and also you can upload your own dataset, which I have one here. So I have my own dataset here and I have some notes and competition which I've joined, but I've not joined any discussion group and also taken a course, and this is my Terra progress. So I've contributed 50% and your longest is two days. Okay, so I don't know what it means, but it is there. Okay, now we have the home. When you click on the home, we are seeing some news feeds and we are seeing some news about Kaggle. We have the competition where you can take some competition, so active competition which comes with a prize. We have the LLM dictate AI generated text. It's a competition which goes for $110,000 when you win. So it's a huge sum of money which you can partake. You have the chance in winning. And we have the dataset where you download your dataset from. Okay. You have the models. So when you click on the models, you are going to see the trending models, which is trending in the machine learning or data science community. So basically, Kaggle is for data scientists or machine learning. Okay. We can even come to the filter to filter for the categories you want, whether the text, audio, the image, the video, any form. You can come here and check it out. And we have the code. I don't remember I have any code there, but let me see. Okay, so we have the code. You see the trending. You have the house price prediction, the house pricing which I normally use, or the first pricing dataset I used was Boston datasets. Okay, we have the text mining. Now let's go to the discussions. We have the forum where you can join some forum, question and answers. We have the learn where you can take some courses. So if you watch my previous video, you can take course in Kaggle, introduction to Python, introduction to. So when you click on the introduction to Python, you are seeing the course here, which is totally free, and we have documentation and stuff. Okay, so let's go straight to the point and now download datasets. We have tons of datasets here which you can filter what you want, the file type, the data type. You can just search, you get it here, you get it from here. It's a large community. Okay, so we have all the data sets here. We have the LLM dataset customer, we have the high school student performance and demographic dataset. We have the healthcare dataset. So let's say you want to download the healthcare dataset, you just click on it. Now when you click on it, it gives you the about of the dataset and the inspiration behind the dataset and dataset information, and also give you the size of the dataset and also the details, that is the instances and also the columns or the features. So here we have the Datasets 15 columns, and it consists of 10,000 records. So this dataset has 1,000 records. So you have the name, age, which is the columns, or which is the features. Okay. So this Kaggle gives you a header, or the head of the dataset. So by the glance of this part, you can see the records here. If you want to download, if you don't want, you can go ahead and search for another data set. Okay, so you can see the number of views. So activity overview, we have the views 16.7k views. We have the download, over 3,000 have downloaded, and the engagement and the comment. So you can also download your data set based on the views and also the engagement and also the comments, depending on the project you want to use the data set for. We also have some related notebooks. If you download the data sets, what kind of analysis you can use, or what kind of machine learning model you can use. So here we have the random forest classifier, which you can use to work on the data set, and here we have the random forest. That is also the same thing. Okay, so let's download this data set. At the top right corner, you see the download. You just click on it, and the data set is in CSV type. When you download, let me override it. Okay, so let me open the data set and see. Okay, so now here is the data set. So you can see the columns are 15 and the records are 10,000. So as you can see, 10,000 minus the heading. So if you want to do your machine learning and the analysis, now it's up to you to do the data preparation, and also, so this is more like the data mining. So you do your data preparation, you look at the columns you'll be using for the analysis or machine learning, the relevant ones, and here are the columns you can select from, and the type of analysis or the type of machine learning model you'll be using. Based on the data set, you can determine which one you want to use. Kaggle is one of the most accessed platform where data scientists or data analysts go there to download their data sets from. So you can go there. So the first one was on health. So let's check. So we want classification. Okay, so we have the health. So meaning the health data sets, you can use it for classification, and basically it's classification because it was the trending model was random forest classifier. So if here is a data set, maybe you want to classify the medical condition, or you want to classify the insurance provider, or you want to classify the blood group. Okay, so that is the, and we have the spam email. So okay, so that one was classification. Now let's check maybe regression. Let me see, regression. So linear regression. Regression. Okay, so there's a regression data set. Regression data set. Should come to the filter. I should be able to filter it rather here. So I'm going to be seeing the slow regression. Okay. Regression. Good. So the apply is here. Now let's click on the all data set. Okay, so there's a regression data set. It's a regression data set. When you say the regression, you should be able to apply what, okay. So it seems when I filter, let me choose the linear regression and see. Okay, it seems when I go down, the regression filter goes off. That is fine. So we can search it here, regression. Okay. So when you type on the regression, you see all data set that the data type is the regression data set. Okay. We have the simple linear data regression to the placement data set. When you click on it, you see the year which was updated. That was 2 years ago. Now you are going to see the columns, which are only 3 columns. And now you are going to see the CGPA, you are going to see the package received, and you are going to see the place or not place. So this is more like a classification and also regression. So any of them you can pick. Can equally also download the data sets. Can also download the data sets. Let's check these data sets. I don't think it's that much. Let me check. 1,000. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed the video, kindly click on the like button. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace.